Ever take a good look at the trim around the outside of your home? It's the type of detail work that makes a house really stand out. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about how you can keep that trim looking good no matter what, right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. Almost every home has special trim work outside, from brick molding around doors and windows, boards that outline the eaves, or exterior crown molding. This trim has a way of adding definition and style to a home. But because these are wood pieces on the outside, they're constantly under the barrage of Mother Nature. Both weather conditions and insects can deteriorate trim before you know it. When it's time to replace that trim, consider using cellular PVC instead of wood. Cellular PVC looks just like wood, comes in a smooth or wood grain finish, and it will never rot, warp, or be attacked by insects. It will cost about 20% more than a wood product, but you will never have to replace it again. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.